Today, we're making tteokbokki. Let's get right to it. In a medium pot with 4 cups of water, add in the peeled anchovies along with half sheet of kelp and place on medium-high heat for about 20 minutes. Next, cut all the vegetables, mince your garlic, green scallions by cutting off the bottom and cutting it about 2 to 2.5 inches like so. Slice the thick parts of the scallions in half and cut some into thin slices for garnish. Slice your onions and cut half of Korean green chili pepper and cut it diagonally and place it on the side. Now for the sauce. Get a small bowl and add in gochujang, gochugaru, soy sauce, and some brown sugar, and chopped garlic and mix it well together. After mixing, it should look like this. And once mixed, place that on the side. Now back to the broth. Once it's done cooking for about 20 minutes, take out the half sheet of kelp and the dried anchovies in the broth, then add in the sauce into the broth and give it a good stir. Once it's mixed into the broth, add in the thawed fish cakes and thawed rice cakes along with the vegetables. So, add in your onions, Korean green chili peppers, and gently stir the ingredients together. Then, we're going to add in our 2 boiled eggs and the scallions and continue to gently mix all the ingredients together. Boil on medium-high for about 10 minutes or until the rice cakes are cooked to your liking. And you can taste test your rice cakes throughout so that you can get that perfect texture of your preference. Once it's done, turn off the heat and it should look like this. You can garnish with green onions and or sesame seeds, and it's now ready to be eaten. And that's it. Mokja, let's eat!